Good morning, traders. Michael Sabo here with MF Global, coming to you here on Monday, October 17th, bringing you some opening commentary here in the energy markets. I'm switching over here to December crude oil here starting today. As many of you know, this coming up here on the 20th here, we're going to be moving into the last trade day here in November. So we're going to start going into the December contract, and that's going to be for all the markets, the Brent and the complex as well. So let's kind of start up here with a recap here on Friday's action. Friday, firm day. I was expecting to see a little bit of profit taking possibly coming out of the market there Friday afternoon, but outside markets were extremely firm. Take a look at the S&Ps. Even in the last 20 minutes of trading there, they tried to sell that market up, and then they managed to rally it up and close right near the highs. Same kind of held true with crude. I really felt that the market wanted to try to move lower there a little bit. If you watch that post, you'll know that morning. I think that market is a bit overbought. Long term, still a bull. Here on the short term, I think we're overbought and we're due for some pullback. Didn't see any of that. A lot of it based on the idea, even with the crude, is the hope that with this G20 meeting that they're going to solve or put together some type of miracle package that's just going to solve all the European debt problems. And I don't think that's going to be the case, but that's kind of what the market was trading off of, is the idea of the hope that they're going to be able to do something there. So crude prices did stay firm. Outside markets were firm. Coming in here this morning here, European markets, Asian markets were a little bit firmer. And again, I'm really emphasizing a lot there and watching those outside markets there, because I think it's really been playing a real role here with the crude. And taking a look at it right now, crude prices are actually off. We're down about 50 cents. We're trading around 86.50. Again, that's basis that December crude oil. I think there could be some potential here for some further downside action in that market. I'm really thinking that this market, I don't necessarily know if we're going to get it out of there here today, but I think it could be coming down here just under $85 a barrel. So we're going to kind of keep an eye on that. We'll see how that develops. Complex is weaker here today. Brent's off about 108. We're trading around 111.15 right now. You take a look at the RBOB. 274.59 down 236. The heat 303.49. That's off about 117. Nat gas around 390, off just slightly there. So really a weaker tone here so far here this morning. Again, let's keep an eye here on this crude. Lows that we've seen here so far, we're down at around 86.11. And I think you could see that market come under further pressure. So keep an eye on that. Once we do start to come down, if we're able to bust down through some support areas, we could be coming all the way down here to possibly around this 83 area. So we'll kind of keep an eye and we'll watch to see how that develops. But give me a call. I'll talk to you a little bit more about that. If you call me on the trade desk, the number there is 1-800-798-7671. Of course, remember that past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results, and the risk of loss does exist in futures trading.